To use the air gestures in OnePlus 13, first we need to open a settings on our device, then scroll all the way down and look for accessibility and convenience, enter it and scroll down again looking for the gestures and motions. Open those and inside you'll be able to find air gestures. Now you can activate them with the switch right here. And there's two options that you can use. First one, if you hold the back of your hand around 20 to 40 centimeters from the front camera with your fingertips pointed down, when a prompt appears at the top of the screen, flick your hand up to answer a call, which means when you're receiving a call, you can do something like this in front of the camera, which will answer that call. The second option is, as you can see right here, if you point your palm of a hand in front of the camera, this will mute a incoming call. So that is basically everything.